Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. 2007 Toyota Tacoma two-wheel drive, passenger side front wheel bearing replacement. $12mm bracket. It does have ABS, so I want to respect the ABS and be careful with it. Probably gonna unbolt it everywhere. Just leave the wires attached to the bracket. 10mm and 12mm bolts for the bracket and for the sensor. I'll get a bungee cord and support that then probably, so it's not stretching out the hose or the wires for the ABS. We'll just see about unbolting this and see if we can force this off by using the bolts somehow. We'll see what happens, just for fun. They were 17mm. So don't forget to put this back on. We're installing a suite complete assembly BR930980 SKF assembly, bolts and everything good to go. Clean this up a little bit. Don't forget to put that back on, and we'll put it on. Just a little silicone lube. Alright, we're going to snug those up, and then we will reverse procedure to install. Maybe throw some torque specs out to you along the way. If you can tighten those down to 59 foot-pounds. Just kind of tighten them slowly and surely, crisscrossed, and just drove it in and tapped it in 59 foot-pounds. I actually have a crow's foot. I think will possibly work for tightening it to 59 foot-pounds. That was a terrible angle, sorry. So I tightened it down with a crow's foot, but otherwise if you just lean into it and tighten them tight as you can, it's probably going to be just fine. A little screwdriver and try and tap this cap off and maybe transfer it into the new one. .91 foot-pounds. Just going to reinstall speed sensor and the bracket. Install those. We'll put the tire on. Tighten the lug nuts as tight as you can, crisscross pattern, like so, and we'll torque them down. Alright, so we got our bracket on the left taken care of, 12mm bolt. Bracket on the right, 12mm bolt. ABS, 10mm bolt, all tightened down. And we'll tighten these wheels down using a yellow 65 foot-pound torque stick, and we'll go to 83, 85 foot-pounds for the final. Lots of good metal to jack up underneath the vehicle for doing this job, so jack it up, use safety stands, protect yourself. That's replacing your wheel bearing assembly, hub assembly bearing. The bopper there, two-wheel drive Toyota Tacoma. Good luck to you.